Hi everyone and welcome back. This is my detailed chicken pilau with coleslaw recipe. The shorter version is on shorts. We're going to start with Caribbean Flavours green seasoning, and we're going to season our washed and clean chicken. Add salt, and all of the ingredients can be found in the description box down below. Next, cook up seasoning and celery salt, black pepper, and your chopped aromatics. Give this a mix, and if you have Rouccou or annatto, feel free to add some in and give it a mix. It's going to add such a wonderful color to the pilau. Mix well, set aside. You can marinate or you can use this immediately. Next, to your stove, place a pan on medium heat and add in 1 heaping tablespoon of brown sugar and allow to brown and get amber, dark amber in color. You do not want to burn it. When the sugar starts to melt, you want to keep turning so it doesn't burn. And it goes from this light amber to a very dark amber color like this, and this is how you want the sugar to be when you're making pilau. Now in goes that seasoned chicken, and when you add in the chicken, do not turn it right away. You want one side of the chicken to start to get that caramelized color. So about 5 minutes, and then you can turn it and allow the other side of the chicken to get brown. So now I'm going to give it a mix to make sure that the other side browns, and this is how it should look. Now once it's brown, you'll add in your rice at this point, right? But sometimes even when I am cooking, I can make mistakes, so I ended up going in with my water before the rice. But that's okay, it'll still taste amazing. So now I put in the water, I'll give it a mix, and then I'll add in my washed rice. Yeah, I paused when I realized what I did. So in goes the washed rice, and I'm using parboiled rice here, and 1 packet of Caribbean Flavours coconut milk powder. And give this a mix. And we want to bring this up to a simmer. And you'll notice I didn't add any peas in as yet, because I always pre-boil my peas, whatever peas I'm using. So I'm going to allow this to come up to a simmer. I'll cover it, allow it to cook halfway before I actually add in my peas. Now cover and allow that to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the slaw. So to mayo, sugar, celery salt, and some Dijon mustard, and mix well to create that delicious sauce for your slaw. Then we'll add in cabbage, shredded carrots, thinly sliced bell peppers, and red onion. And all you have to do is give this a mix, and some cilantro goes in. Now mix and keep refrigerated, or if you don't like it super cold, you can leave it on the counter until you're ready to serve with your pilau. Taste, adjust, and set aside. Let's check on the pilau now. So it's bubbling away, and you can see how the water has reduced. The rice grains still need a lot more cooking. But I'm going to add in my pre-boiled pink beans. Now I like using pink beans or red beans. You can use black eye. You can use a traditional pigeon peas. I'm not a huge lover of pigeon peas, so I always go for pink beans or red beans. I even love black eye in here. Now I'm going to allow this to cook again for around 10 to 12 more minutes. And after now, we'll go in and check on it. And you see how the water has reduced considerably. If you like a wet pilau, you're going to want to leave some more liquid in there. Finish with a piece of French Maid and mix that in. If you didn't want to use French Maid, you can use any type of salted butter that you have on hand, or you can totally omit. Once mixed in and you taste and adjust your salt, it's ready to be served. Serve this with a huge side of that coleslaw And you also need to serve this with some sizzler pepper sauce. Pelau and pepper sauce is a must. So just top it off with your pepper sauce and then it's time to have lunch. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it. Let me know what you think. Please, if you're new to my channel, I hope you like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.